Hey guys, just switched back to high definition, not 4K for this update. Seaward have been incredibly helpful in resolving the problem I had with that Apollo 600 pat tester, and received a box from them yesterday which should have a new Apollo 600 inside. And they've also been kind enough to lend me a couple of printers that connect up to their pat testers, so we can have a quick look at those as well. But obviously I'm hoping that the new 600 will be okay this time. So we have the Tag and Test Pro BT, which I guess stands for Bluetooth, and Bluetooth and serial connectivity, lightweight and portable, prints barcodes and company logos, Seaward approved. So we'll be having a closer look at that hopefully over the weekend. We then have the Test and Tag Elite, again Bluetooth compatible. Not quite sure what the difference is between the two yet, but we'll certainly find out over the weekend. Oh well, certainly this one seems to have a screen built in, so yes, we'll have a closer look over the weekend, as I say. But for now we just need to make sure the Apollo is better than the last one. I was quite surprised by the excellent response from Seaward over this, and spoke to a number of their people over a couple of days, and they were very good, listened to everything I had to say, and even about the software I wasn't keen on all of the aspects of that. So let's have a look. Accessories first. I'm praying this will be okay. Oh dear. Yeah, this is. I was going to take my glasses off for a closer look. But yeah, that's absolutely as I would expect it to be. I'll just see if we can get a close up. Got the camera next to me, so it's not quite so easy to line up this time. But you can see that those function keys and the plastic around them is absolutely perfect this time. Yeah, I don't know whether there had been issues with a bit of stickiness, if the plastic case wasn't exactly spot on from the manufacturers, but this time, yeah, this time it looks much better, and it doesn't appear to have been tampered with in any way at all. So yeah, excellent. Much happier with that. So yes, thank you Seaward for resolving that issue very quickly indeed, and bypassing the dealer that I purchased this from. You're not going to get that from many companies these days. So yeah, well done for taking my issue seriously and getting a new unit out. And we'll start again, I think, and we'll certainly be having a closer look at those two printers over this weekend, but I just really wanted to update everybody on the channel and on my forum as well, who were a little disappointed with the quality of the first one that came through, but this one looks absolutely perfect. Certainly the only issue I had with the other one was the function keys, and this one does seem to be perfectly okay. So yeah, we'll get this charged up and hopefully be back over the weekend. Thanks for watching. Take care.